DIY. I will be using Google Docs to create a label template by Avery 8160 to label my son's school supplies so that they cannot get lost nor claimed by another student. Crafting time with DIYs with a twist. Videos are posted weekly. Just open a window on your internet. Open Google. Click on the dial pad to the top right. Click on Docs. Click on Blank Document. Open a new blank document. Go to the menu and click Extensions. Then Create and Print Labels. Then scroll over and click Create. Go to the list and click Avery 8160. It will give you options over here to the right if you want the grid lines and if you want the first box to be a model, but I always uncheck mine. First, you're going to put child's name. Second, the school, the grade, phone number, and the bus number if you have it. You're going to copy this to every cell, or I use every sticker, every label sticker, and I label every item that I can. I label the pens nor pencils individually, but I will label the package. I had the washable markers, the baby wipes, the storage bags, crayons. This is also a pop-it pencil pouch, highlighters, erasers, visual folders. And I label all his folders so they have no way of saying, oh, your child did not bring in the folder we asked for on the list, other items, and say, oh, you didn't bring all your school supplies. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. Sharpen color pencils and sharpen pencils. I shop early so I can get the best deals. And this year, as well as last year, Walmart had the best. Majority of the items that I purchased were for 50 cents to, I think the highest I paid for school supply was about $5, and that was the printer paper. To see more content from DIYs with a twist, please click like, subscribe, and share.